Thanks. Snowy afternoon there on our Shawano Skycam, along with some strong winds moving through the area.
It doesn't look very nice out there. Cruz is back with our forecast for the weekend. Cruz.
Yes, guys, we have that snow coming down, but the big story for today is certainly the winds. And if you've been outside, you probably noticed how much they picked up, especially over the past few hours. We'll start with this wind advisory that's in effect until 4 a.m. tomorrow. This was posted at 2 a.m. today, but in any of these counties shaded in pink, you could see sustained winds between 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So any of that snow that we do get coming down, although it won't amount to much in most areas, it is going to be blowing around throughout the entirety of the night. That means some problems with visibility even as you're starting out your day on Saturday. We'll check in with First Alert Viper Max. We have a band of some light snowfall moving through the Fox cities and Green Bay right now. This is also pressing up into areas like southern Marinette County and Door County, but the heavier snow, or at least moderate snowfall, is back to the west still. We have this band developing from southwest Wisconsin, stretching through central Wisconsin, and this is going to be pressing off to the Fox Valley pretty soon. So if you're not seeing snow now, you likely will as we go into the rest of this evening. But let's talk about those winds once again. I want to show you that these are going to stay strong even as we go into the overnight hours. Watch some of these gusts that could go up to 50 miles per hour for the rest of the afternoon and evening. And then by 3 a.m., still dealing with those wind gusts in the range of 35 to about 45 miles per hour. That means if you haven't yet secure any outdoor objects, they certainly could be blowing around as we go even into tomorrow morning, but also reducing your visibility with that snow coming down as well. I'll show you First Alert Pinpoint Predictor where that snow is at now. This is that weaker band of snow that I was showing you moving through the Fox cities right now. 5 o'clock predictor has it a little farther to the east, and then that secondary band starts to press off to the south and east, and that's where we could see that snow coming down at moderate to heavy intensity, and it will be in a short time frame, but still it's enough to reduce your visibility. So we call this a snow squall, and it's when we get that blowing and drifting right along a heavy burst of snow. And with the winds as strong as we're going to have them today, gusting potentially up to 50 miles per hour, know that your visibility could be reduced as much as to a half a mile or even a quarter of a mile of visibility. So please take it safe, play it safe if you're getting ready to head home from work. And also know that this isn't going to amount to much, but once again, the winds pushing that snow around could reduce your visibility. For most areas like the Fox Valley, less than an inch of accumulation is likely. Anywhere north and west of Green Bay, like Shawano, for example, you could see 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. By tomorrow morning, we still have those strong winds. Temperatures drop into the single digits with wind chills dropping in a big way. Matter of fact, by tomorrow morning, we could see some wind chills in the range of 10 to 25 below zero. And of course, that's a big change of pace from what we've been seeing in previous days. Also, tomorrow looks to be much colder. At least it's mostly sunny, but highs tomorrow will only be in the teens. Your First Alert 7-day forecast will show chances of snow as we go into next Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures then will be in the lower 20s, but Sunday you have a nice and mild day with temperatures almost near 50 degrees that you get to enjoy. Jeff and Sarah?
And it continues. Thanks, Cruz. Well, many of us have